Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain scales. So what I'm going to do, there are 8 papers. So I'm going to solve all 8 questions, scales question from those papers. Now, first we'll read this question. Construct a diagonal scale which is long enough to measure up to 20 meter. Given RF 1 is to 125, take the dimension from the scale, construct a pentagon of side 5.8 meters. So now what I have to do first? First I have to draw a guideline. Remember in exam also you have to draw a guideline. I'll be drawing it rough, but okay. So first we'll write given data. Remember this you have to write in capital given. What is given? A scale which is long enough to measure up to 20 meters. So what is that? Maximum length. So maximum length is how much? 20 meter, right? RF is how much? 1 is to 125. So representative fraction. You have to write full form. RF. What is RF? 1 is to 125. Now we need to find length of scale, right? So we know the formula. Length of scale, that is LS, is equal to RF into ML. Remember, once you can write full form, then you can write short form. So what is RF? 1 upon 125. What is maximum length? 20 meter. Multiply by 100 will give me centimeter. Now when I will solve this, 5, 4. So it will be how much? 16, right? 24s are 80. 80 divided by 5, 16 centimeter. Got it? So we got this answer, 16 centimeter. Now what we need to draw? We need to draw diagonal scale. So what I will do, I will draw 16 centimeter long line. See, and I will take height 5 centimeter. This height would be 5 centimeter or 50 millimeter. I will draw 16 centimeter long line. Now in how many parts I will divide? I will divide according to maximum length. What is my maximum length over here? 20 meter, right? So we'll divide into 2 parts. So I will draw angle. This will be 30°. I will take any distance, let's say 2 centimeter each, and I will divide this into 2 parts. I will write 0. Here I will write 10. And here also I will write 10. I won't be writing 1 because this is 20. 20 you divide into 2 parts, you'll get 10, 10. Then again we'll divide first block into 10 parts. 1, again I'll take this angle 45°. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join this to this. And you will draw a parallel line. You can mark these points down. You don't have to draw a straight line. Remember that. You have to just mark these points down. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what you need to do, you need to join 0 to 1. Remember that. Got it? We'll join 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. This is how you will draw. I'll keep this aside. Got it? So you divided this into 10 parts. Now if I'm writing over here, what I will write? Meter. This is METR, meter, right? This is also meter because you have divided 10 meter into 10 parts. So you'll get meter only, right? Now we'll divide this line, vertical line, into 10 parts. Since we have already taken 50 millimeter, we can mark directly 5 millimeter each, and this will be centimeter. Sorry, decimeter. Got it? So what I need to do, I need to divide this into 10 parts. 1, 2, I can mark 5 mm like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what I need to do, I need to mark 5.8 meter. Okay, so 5.8. So here I don't have a 5 over here. I have a 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this distance would be 5.8 meter. Distance from A to B. Got it? See again, 5. And the line joining 5 to 6, on that line I will go up by 8 because they want 5.8 meter. So you can write RF over here, 1 upon 125. So see, this is important. You have to show the division. You have to show this dimension. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are important. Meter, meter, decimeter, and RF. And you have to show AB. How much is AB? AB is 5.8 meter. You can write here also, or you can write like this also. Whatever you feel comfortable. Now after that, what we need to do, we need to draw a pentagon of side 5.8. So what I will do, I will draw one line. I will take this distance because this is 5.8 meter. So I will take A to B and I will cut on that, right? Then with protractor, I will take 54 degree, 54 degree, wherever it will cut, that is O. And then take O to A and draw a circle. Then you take A to B in your compass. Remember, take O to A, draw a circle. Then you take A to B, and from A you cut on left side, B you cut on right side. And then what you do, you extend this line up. If you want to cross check, if you cut from here, it will come there only. If it is accurate. So I'm assuming that it will come accurate. So make sure that this point is always at the top over here when you extend from here, and this intersection should meet. So this is what you will get, pentagon. This is A, B, C, D, E. So first sum is over. And here also you can show 5.8 meter. Got it? Please write in full form. Now we'll see the second one. Now the second paper. Now in second paper, we have to construct again a diagonal scale to measure, to show meter, decimeter, and centimeter, and long enough to measure up to 6 meter. So 6 meter is maximum length. Okay. So let's say if I'm just going step by step. So I will write given. What is given? Maximum length. Max length. How much it is? 6 meter. When 1 meter is represented by 2.5 centimeter, find RF. Now see, they haven't given RF. So we know the formula for RF. RF, representative fraction. That is R dot F is equal to drawing length upon actual length. Okay, so what is drawing length? What is actual length? That we need to find, right? So drawing length over here, if you see, drawing length is how much? When 1 meter is represented by 2.5 centimeter, that means what this question is, 1 meter, let's say distance between A to B is 1 meter. right, is represented by 2.5 centimeter. So if you measure it with scale, it is 2.5 centimeter, but they have written 1 meter. So in this case, 2.5 centimeter is drawing length and 1 meter is actual length. Understood? 1 meter is represented by 2.5 centimeter. So how much you're drawing? You're drawing 2.5 centimeter. How much is actual? Actual is 1 meter. So what you do? Drawing length is how much? 2.5 centimeter. So it would be 25 millimeter. And actual length is 1 meter. So it is 1000 millimeter. So if I write RF is equal to drawing length upon actual length. See, once if I write full form, then I can write short form. What is this? 25 upon 1000. We'll keep it as it is. So RF is done. Maximum length is there. What I need to do? Find RF. So that is done. Indicate a scale of a distance of 4 meters, 7 decimeter, and 4 centimeter. So in fact, they want us to mark 4.74. So that we will mark. Okay. So what we will do again, we'll draw guideline. In our right, length of scale. Okay. What is length of scale is equal to RF into ml. What is RF? 25 upon 1000. What is maximum length? Maximum length is 6 meter into 100 will give me centimeter. If I'm drawing, if I do this calculation, then 25 into 6 divided by 10. So it will be 15, right? 15 centimeter. So what I have to do? I have to draw 15 centimeter long line. Yeah, I'll just draw it pen only. Height I will take 5 centimeter or 50 millimeter and we'll complete this. So this is the box. Now this is how much long? 6 meter. So I should divide this into how many parts? 6 part. Always remember, we'll divide this according to maximum length. So how much is the maximum length? 6 meter. So we'll divide this into 6 part. So I will draw angle. See, this angle we generally take 30 and the second angle we take 45. Again on this you take 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join this to this and draw with the parallel set square you can draw parallel line. Mine won't be accurate, so please ignore. This is 6, right? So I'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is meter. Here we'll write RF, which is 25 upon 1000. Now we'll divide this 1 meter into 10 parts. So it will be decimeter. And we'll divide this vertical line also into 10 parts, but that is afterwards. First we have to divide this block into 10 parts. So again we'll take angle 45 degree and that will take 1 centimeter cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. We'll draw line like this, parallel line with set square, and we'll mark down also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what you have to do? Same method. You'll join 0 to 1. This is 0 in my case. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. Got it? This is rough, so please ignore. But this is how you will draw 0 to 1. Then what you have to do? This line also, vertical line also, will divide into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. unequal, but manageable. Now 7, we have to mark 4.74. So 4 meter, this is decimeter and this is centimeter. 4.74. So 4. Now on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on this line 1, 2, 3, 4. So this distance from here to here, A to B, is 4.74 meter. Got it? This is how you mark 4, 7, and the line joining 7 to 8. On that, you will go 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That way. Got it? I will do third sum. Now we'll see in third paper 3. Third sum. On a building plan, a line 10 centimeter long represent a distance of 5 meter. Construct a diagonal scale. Again, we have to draw diagonal scale, and RF is not given. Scale for the plan to read up to 6 meter. Maximum length is 6 meter, and we have to show meter, decimeter, centimeter, and indicate 3.25, 5.59 meter on it. Same like previous sum. So what we need to do first, we need to find out RF. So again, I will draw guideline. So always remember, when you draw guideline, you draw 5 mm guideline, and then you start. So first we'll write given. So what is given? On a building, a 10 centimeter long represents a distance of 5 meter. So they have given drawing length. What is drawing length? Is 10 centimeter and represents a distance of 5 meter. See, understand this. So there is a distance A to B, 10 centimeter long. This is 10 centimeter long, but it represents 5 meter. So this is drawing length, this is actual length. So actual length is how much? Actual length is 5 meter. So it can be 500 centimeter. So we know representative fraction What is representative fraction? RF. RF is what? Drawing length upon actual length. So how much is drawing length? 10. How much is actual length? 500. So this is 1 upon 50. That is RF. To read up to 6 meters. What is 6 meter? Max length. So maximum length is how much? 6 meter. So it would be 600 centimeter. Now we know the formula. Length of scale. LS is equal to how much? RF into ML. How much is RF? 1 upon 50. What is maximum length? 6 meter. That is 600 centimeter. Okay, when you solve this, you will get how much? This 0, 0 will get cancelled. 12 5s are, wait, 60. No, 12 5s are 60. So 12 centimeter. So now what you have to do, you have to draw 12 centimeter long line. Height you will take 5 centimeter. This is how you will draw box. Now you have to divide this into how many parts? This is according to maximum length. What is your maximum length? 6 meters. So we'll divide into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of 2 meter, 2 centimeter, if you want to take 3 centimeter, that is also fine. So what I've done, I've divided it into 6 parts. And I can write this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is meter. This is decimeter. Here I will write RF. RF is how much? 1 upon 50. This part I will divide into 10 parts. So again, I will draw a line, cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll join this to this, and then I'll draw a parallel line. I'll mark all these points down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what I have to do? I have to join line. I have to join 0 to 1. Remember, we are doing diagonal. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. This is how it will come. This is vertical line. Then what we'll do, we'll divide this vertical line, which is 5 centimeter, 50 millimeter, into 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is centimeter. Okay. Now what I will do, I have to mark 3.25 meter. So 3 meter, 2, 2 decimeter, 3.2. And on this line, the line which is joining 2 to 3, on that you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is point A and this is point B. So A to B is 3.25 meter. Got it? You can show with arrow. Few people, they like showing the arrow, but it will be too complicated, but it's up to you. 3.25 meter, then 5.59. So 5 meter, 5 decimeter, 5.5. Got it? 5.5. And the line joining 5 to 6, the slant line, on that will go 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is C, D. So CD is what? 5.59 meter. So this is how you will draw, right? Now we'll go for the next sum. See, all these papers will be there in the description link. There will be one link. On that link, if you click, you will get all the papers. From there, you can download and you can solve. This is P4, paper 4, question number 2. In a drawing, a line measuring 5 centimeter was marked as 300 kilometer. Draw a diagonal scale to show 600 kilometer on it and mark 450, 189 and 225 kilometer on it. So again, in this, we need to draw guideline. It's the same like previous sum. It's a diagonal scale, okay? But what is different over here, it will come to know. First, we'll write given. Drawing length. Drawing length. How much is drawing length? A line measuring 5 centimeter. So drawing length is 5 centimeter. Was marked as 300 kilometer. Just imagine, they are showing, it's like on a map, they are showing point A to B distances 300 kilometer. But they are drawing it only 5 centimeter. Right away. So drawing length is 5 centimeter and the actual length. How much is actual length? Actual length is 300 kilometers. Okay. Now we'll find representative fraction. R dot F is equal to drawing length upon actual length. So how much is drawing length? 5 centimeter. How much is actual length? 300 kilometer. Now I can't write kilometer, no, it should be centimeter, centimeter. So 300 into 100 will give me meter. Sorry, 1000 will give me meter, right? Kilo. So 30 and multiply by 2 more 0 will give me centimeter. So I will get this kind of an RF. Pi upon 300 into 1000 into 100. Now length of scale. Length of scale LS is equal to RF into ML. So what is RF? Representative fraction. That is phi upon 300 into 1000 into 100. What is maximum length? Oh, that we haven't marked. Wait. Draw a diagonal scale to show 600 kilometer. So maximum length is how much? Max length 600 kilometer. 600 kilometer multiplied by 1000 will give me meter, multiplied by 100 will give me centimeter, right? So this will go, this will go, so it will come 10 centimeter. So what I'll be doing, I'll draw 10 centimeter long line, height 50 millimeter or 5 centimeter. Now I'll divide this into how many parts? See, if you see very first sum, I would like to show you something. The very first sum, maximum length was 20 meter. We divided into two parts, right? Then here maximum length was 6 meter in this third paper. We divided into 6 part. In second paper also maximum length was 6 meter. We divided into 6 part. Now it is 300. So we'll divide into how many parts? We'll divide into 3 parts. So at times, instead of 2, you can take 3 centimeter arc also and cut. That's up to you. But why I'm doing this? Because maximum length is, wait. I made a mistake. Maximum length is 600 kilometers. So I have to divide into 6 part. Not 300, 600. But what I will write over here, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and this will be also 100. Why? Because we have divided 600 meter into 6 part. This is what? Kilometer. This is also kilometer. Now when I will divide this 100 meter into 10 parts, I'll get 10 meter each, 10 kilometer each. See, total is how much? 600 kilometer. You divided 600 into 6 part, so you got 100 kilometer each. Now you're dividing 100 kilometer into 10 parts. So what you will get? 10, right? 10 kilometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? So this is kilometer. This is 10 kilometer. Now we'll divide this 10 kilometer into 10 parts. So here also I'll get kilometer only. So in this sum, we'll get kilometer, kilometer, kilometer. Got it? Because maximum length is 600 kilometer. We divided 600 into 6 part, we got 100. 100 we divided into 10 parts, we got 10. 10 we are dividing into 10 parts. Then also we are getting 1 kilometer. Over here when you divide. So what I'm doing, I'm joining 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So that means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Because this is 10, right? This is 10, 20, 30, 40, that way. And then we'll divide this vertical line into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how you will get. Got it? Here you can write RF. RF is how much? 5 upon 300 into 1000 into 100. Got it? So this is how you will draw the sum and marking 450. So we have 450. So this distance A to B is 450 kilometers. Then 189. So 100, then 80, right? 180. And the line joining 80 to 90. On that, I will go up by 9. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this distance, CD. How much is CD? It is 189. 225. So how will you mark 225? 220. 220. And on that line, the line joining 20 to 30. On that, you go up by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? 220. And on that, you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this distance, what you get? EF is equal to 225 kilometer. This is how you will draw. So one thing which I wanted to explain to you people is this. When maximum length is 3 meter, when maximum length is 30 meter, and when maximum length is 300 meter, how will you solve this? In diagonal scale. Right now we are talking about diagonal. Okay. So when you have 3 meter, what you will write? You'll divide into 3 parts. You write 0, 1, 2, 3. You'll write meter, decimeter, and centimeter. Right? When you have 30 meter, what you will do? 0, 10, 20, 10. So this is meter, and this will be decimeter. Got it? And when you have 300 meter, what you will do? You'll write 0, 100, 100. So this is meter, this is also meter, and this is also meter. Got it? So this is the difference. When it is 3 meter, so it is meter, decimeter, centimeter. I'm talking about diagonal scale. When it is 30 meter, so then it is meter, meter, and decimeter. When it is 300 meter, so it is meter, meter, and meter. This you need to understand. Got it? So we are done with paper 4. Now we'll go for paper 5. I hope you people are getting it. Again, one more diagonal scale. I don't know, but a lot of diagonal scales. Again, first we'll draw guideline. What I have to write? Construct a diagonal scale long enough to measure up to 20 meter. So maximum length given. Max length. How much is maximum length? 20 meter. RF is how much? Representative fraction. Representative fraction is 1 upon 125. Take this measurement from the scale and draw a square of side 8.5 and inscribe a circle in it. I think, yeah. So length of scale. Now I would like to tell you something, that in this sum, instead of doing diagonal scale, if I do plane scale, then is also it's fine, right? I'll change this sum to plane scale because up till now we have done a lot of diagonal scale. So I don't want to do diagonal scale. So I'm doing plane scale. So this is a plane scale sum. Maximum length 20 meter, representative fraction 1 upon 125, and length of scale is equal to RF into ML. So how much is RF? 1 upon 125. And what is maximum length? 20 meter into 100 will give you centimeter. When you will solve, it is again 16 centimeter. Now I'm drawing plane scale. See, remember one thing, I have changed this sum from plane to, from diagonal to plane. I'm drawing a line and now I will take height. This will be how much? 16 centimeter, or length of scale. But the height I will take is 5 millimeter. You can take whatever you want. You can take 6, 8, 10, whatever you want. I'm taking 5. Okay. I have to divide this into how many parts? Maximum length is how much? 20 meters. So we'll divide into 2 parts. Done. This is 0. This is 10. Here also I will have meter. Here also I will have meter. Now we'll divide this first block into how many parts? 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may ask me, sir, why did you change from diagonal to plane? Because diagonal scale was very simple in this. We hardly had to do, but we have already done 4 sums. So I thought, okay, it will be easier. It will be better if we do plane scale. So you'll get a different idea. So we are doing this in plane scale. How much we have to do? How much you have to mark? 8.5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Here you can write RF. RF is 1 upon 125. 8.5. Wait, I can't mark 8.5 in this. What was I was thinking? Okay, it's my mistake. I should have done diagonal scale because 8.5. I can't do 8.5 here. Somebody will say, "Arey, sir, you divide this 8 and 9 and you do that," but that will be wrong. So it was my mistake. I was impulsive and I did plane scale. But see, it was a diagonal scale sum. So in exam, don't do this. You will come to know. See, till here, there is no issue. Problem will come here when you will draw. That time, if there is some error like this, so what you need to do, you need to draw it again. So instead of erasing it, you just put a cancel mark. You can do a block kind of a thing and just put cancel. That's it. You don't do this. Don't do that, or don't waste time in that. And you do diagonal scale. So what I will do, I will do it on another paper. I'll just take it. Okay, so we are doing this diagonal. I don't know what I was thinking. Why did I change to plane? But it's okay. I'm sorry. But you people understood, right? That what is the problem? If you change from plane to diagonal, what will happen? Or diagonal to plane, what will happen? You can't mark. So here the same thing. You divide this into how many parts? 2 parts. You write 0, 10, 10, 10. This is meter. This is meter. This is decimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. After that, join 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Got it? Now what you have to do, you have to draw horizontal. We'll divide this vertical line, 10, right, into, this is actually 1 meter. We're dividing 1 meter into 10 parts. We'll get 10 decimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Got it? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we need to mark. What do we need to mark? 8.5. So here 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how you should draw 8.5 meter. Got it? In this sum, it was not possible. In this sum, it was possible. 8 was possible, but 8.5 was not possible. Now we understood the difference between plane scale and diagonal scale. So plane scale is only up till 1 decimal point, but here it is 8.5 meter. So we have 20 meter, right? So 20 meter we divided into two parts, so 10, 10. And we are dividing this 10 into one part each, right? But then we have to divide further, right? We need meter, meter, decimeter. So that's why we want diagonal scale over here. So we can't draw plane scale over here. We have to draw diagonal scale like this. Then you will get 8.5. If you become smart and you will say, Array sir, we'll divide this into two parts. And this is 8.5. See, you are right. Technically, you're right. But you won't get marks because they want diagonal scale. They don't want plane scale. So avoid doing this error. And now what you have to do, you have to draw a square of side 8.5 and inscribe a circle in it. So what I will do, I will draw one line. I will mark 8.5. This distance I will take. You have to show marking 8.5 and you draw a square. Then you join diagonal. From this point you can draw circle. This is how you will draw circle inside a square. Got it? So we are done with 5 sums. Now we'll go for the 6th one. I want to show plane scale. Let me see. Is it a plane scale? Yes. Finally, we have plane scale sum. So see what they are saying. In a drawing, a line measuring 6 centimeter on a drawing is marked as 1.5 meter. So drawing length and actual length is given. Find RF and construct a plane scale long enough to measure up to 2.1 meter. Okay, we'll come back to that. First, we will draw guideline. Given drawing length. What is drawing length? Drawing length is 6 centimeter. What is actual length? What is actual length? 1.5 meter. So that is 15 centimeter. Can I say 150 centimeter? Right? Multiply by 100. No? What is representative fraction? RF. So it is drawing length upon actual length. So that is 6 upon 150. Now we need to find max length. What is max length over here? This is interesting. So max length is 2.1 meter. If you read, long enough to measure up to 2.1 meter. So maximum length is 2.1 meter. So we can't take maximum length as this in decimal. So we'll do it 3 meter. Even if it is 2.1, we won't go back to 2. We'll go for next higher digit. Always remember it will be 3 meter. So we'll take maximum length is 3 meter. Why I'm doing this? Because let's say if I do this calculation with 2.1 as maximum length, How will I divide this length into 2.1 part? Not possible, but I can divide this line into 3 parts, right? So that is the whole idea. So when it is 2.1, you go for 3, next higher digit. Always remember that. So we will always round off maximum length if it is like this. Then length of scale. Length of scale LS is equal to RF into ML. What is RF? 6 upon 150. What is maximum length? 3 meter into 100 will give me centimeter. When I will solve this, this is 2, 3, 3, 12 centimeter. I'll get 12 centimeter. So what I will do, I will draw 12 centimeter long line. I will take height how much? 5 millimeter. As I said, you can take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, whatever you want to take. So why I'm taking 5? Because in diagonal I'm taking 50. So in plane I'm taking 5. So it's easier for me to remember. Now I have to divide this into how many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. It's 10. This is what? Meter. This is decimeter. We'll divide the first block into how many parts? 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is RF 6 upon 150. Now what I have to do? I have to mark using the above scale, draw a pentagon inside a circle of diameter 2.2. Do not use protractor. Okay, I have to mark 2.2 meter. So 2 I know, and this 2. So this distance is 2.2 meters, right? So what I will do, I will take a 2.2 meters, and that is the diameter of a circle. So first I will mark one line. I will take 2.2 and I will cut on it. Then I will bisect, and then from that point I will draw a circle. So I'll get a circle. This is A to B is 2.2 meter. Got it? Now what I have to do, draw a pentagon inside a circle. Inside this circle I have to draw pentagon and do not use protractor. So what I have to do, this line is there now, divide this line into 5 parts. So I will draw this method, Z method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 1 centimeter each. 5 up, 5 down. This angle is 30 degree each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then take A to B, rotate. B to A, rotate. We'll get point. This is O. This is C. Now this is point number 2. See, division wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? The point number 2. So draw a line passing through C to 2 and extend it. Wherever it will cut, that is P. So what you get, A to P is the side of the pentagon. Take A to P and from A you cut it down. Let's say this is Q. Then maintain the same radius, this A to P, and from P you cut it over here, R, and from Q you cut it over here, S, right? And when you join P to R and Q to S, and this RS should come straight. That is a test. If it comes straight, then your pentagon is right. So make sure that this RS should be straight. So we are done with this sum, right? P6. I hope everyone understood plane scale. Now we'll see. Now two more sums are there, P7 and P8. Now construct a plane scale. Now again plane scale, long enough to measure up to 50 meter. Okay, take 3 centimeter is equal to 12.5 meter. So the RF is given like this, drawing length and actual length. And we have to show working neatly, mark 23 meter and 11 meter on it. So again, what we'll do, we'll draw a guideline. We'll write given. Uh, maximum length. How much is maximum length? 50 meter. Take 3 centimeter is equal to 12.5 meter. So drawing length, how much is drawing length? 3 centimeter. What is actual length? It's 12.5 meter. So this is 3 centimeter. This is 1250. Am I right? 12.5 into 100 will give you 1250 centimeter. So representative fraction, RF is equal to what? Drawing length upon actual length. What is drawing length? 3. What is actual length? 1250. So this is your RF. Length of scale, LS is equal to what? RF into ML. What is RF? 3 upon 1250. What is the maximum length? 50 meter. 50 into 100 will give me centimeter. Now I can do this. 4, 5, 5, 5 will get cancelled. So again I'll get 12 centimeter. So I'll draw 12 centimeter long line. I'll take height, how much? 5 millimeter. This is 12 centimeter. We'll divide this into how many parts? According to maximum length. What is maximum length? 50. So we'll divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somebody can question me that why not 50? You can if you want, but that's not correct. It's correct from the drawing point of view, but from the effort point of view, it is not correct. So here we are trying to save time and energy. So that's why we divide into 5 parts and our job is done, right? We can do everything. So no need to divide into 50 parts. So we'll divide this into 5 parts. This is meter, this is meter, this is RF. That is RF is how much? 3 upon 1250. And why we are not dividing into 50 parts? There is one logic, but that logic I'll explain you in some other video. Not right now. I don't want to make you confused right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now what I have to do? 23 meter. So 20 from here and 1, 2, and 3 from here. So this distance, 23 meter, 11 meter. So 10 from here and 1 from here, 1 meter. This is how you will solve this sum. Now we'll see the last sum for the day. See, remember one thing. So this is just a revision for the 10th standard people, those who have exam on Wednesday. So for them, I'm doing this. Just give me a minute. Sorry, there was a battery issue. Okay, so now I'll explain you this eighth sum. Now in eighth sum, if you see in a drawing, a line measuring 15 millimeter is marked as 0.45 meter. Find RF. Construct a scale using the RF to measure a maximum length of 5.16 meter. So which scale we have to draw? See, it is 5.16 meter. So 1, 2, 3, 3. So it's a diagonal scale. If they had asked you 1 point, agar 5.1 meter hota to we could have done plane scale, but it is 5.16, 2 decimal point. So that's why we are going for diagonal scale. If it is 5.1, then we can go for plane scale. Remember that. And then we have to construct a quadrilateral ABCD using the scale where AB, BC, AD, and everything is given. Also construct a triangle PAB equal in area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area conversion is also mixed in. So we'll do scale only. We won't go other part because right now our aim is to revise scale. Right? So we'll write given. What is given? 15 millimeter is marked as 0.45. So drawing length. How much is drawing length? So drawing length is 15 millimeter. Is marked as 0.45. Actual length. How much is actual length? 0.45 meter. So it is 450 millimeter, right? I can write representative fraction. RF is what? Drawing length upon actual length. So how much is drawing length? 15. How much is actual length? 450. So 1 upon 30 is your RF. Length of scale. LS is equal to RF into ML. How much is RF? 1 upon 30. What is maximum length? Oh, that we have in mind. Maximum length 5.16 meter. Max length. How much we should take? 5.16 meter. So here we'll take 6 meter, right? We'll always round off 6 into 100. So when you solve this, 0, 0 will go. 60 divided by 3. So it will be 20 centimeter. So now we need to draw a line which is 20 centimeter long. Height would be how much? 50 millimeter. You're doing diagonal scale. And we'll divide this into how many parts? 6 parts. And we'll divide the first block into how many parts? 10 parts. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is meter. This is decimeter and this is centimeter. We'll divide this also into 10 parts. This we need to join 0 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. And this vertical line, 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how you would draw. So this is, here you can write RF 1 upon 30. Now you have to mark AB 4.53. So 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on that line joining 5 to 6, on that I'll go how much up? 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this distance AB is 4.53. BC is 3.08. 3, then 0. Line joining 0 to 1. On that, I'll go 8 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3.08 meter. 4.79. 4, 7. And the line joining 7 to 8. On that, I'll go up by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This EF. EF is how much? 4.79. Okay. This is how you will mark. And using this dimension, you will draw quadrilateral. So I'm just drawing it rough that you'll get something like this. Then you have to convert this quadrilateral into a triangle. How will you convert quadrilateral into a triangle? You have a quadrilateral like this. Let's say you join diagonal, draw parallel line. So instead of this triangle, you go for this triangle. Instead of this triangle, go for this triangle. So this is our main triangle. So this is what you will get when you will draw. I hope you people have understood this diagonal scale. I will try my best to explain other topics also. I will have few classes, Zoom classes, so which I will share the recording with you. All the best for the exam. Thank you.